Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a task from Toloka called Search Company Founding Year. This is going to be the training mode. Let's immediately jump or dive into this. All we have to do again is to verify the founding year of the company, capture a screenshot if we found one. So let's, I'm sorry, go ahead and pull up this first website. It's alt text. This is an easy hit or easy task. I don't have the price though. Hold on, guys. It's taking a while to load. While waiting for this one to load, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials. We also have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines. And the ghostly hitters, for you to join, you need to subscribe to the channel and answer the relevant membership questions before we can welcome you there. Now, it's taking a while to load. I'm not sure why, but let me jump into the second website here. Maybe I'm having some problems with my connectivity. Yeah, it does take a while to load. Okay. The second website is TruePoint Partners, but it's pulling up a different business. I'm not sure why. Maybe they've changed names or whatever. Our history, we can go to this link here. So it doesn't show. Hold on here. Solutions company, home overview, community. Hold on. About us. Leadership, careers. Hey, our story. But yeah, let's go back here. Maybe it's somewhere. The first website seems to have a problem, but we can work on that later on. Okay, for this one, I would say cannot find date. For this one, I'm gonna have to open it, I guess, using a different site. Well, a different browser rather, for me to be able to pull it up. There you go. So for this one, our team joined the team. Now, they don't have a this one unfortunately does not have information as well. I doubt this second website. I believe there is, yeah, this one. So I found the about us for this company, and here is the founding year. So founding year is 2009. Hey, and then we have to capture a screenshot of this just like so, and then file, save as, capture. Now I'm working on this on a computer. With tasks like this, it has to be done on a computer, so I'm sorry for that. So capture, let's see if I'm able to upload this one. A while ago I was getting an error message. Okay, that worked this time. So moving on to the next company is Brevity. Sounds like gravity to me. So this one should be easy. Let's see how it goes. Do they have an about us at the bottom of the page? Let me scroll down here. Company, yep, they do have information about their founding date. Guys, please be aware that those aggregator sites like Facebook, they're not considered as official sites. So it has to be all the information you put in here or you will be placing in this task should be from the company or authorized website. So this one is founded last 2013. Let me just save that, get a screenshot, capture it, just like so. And oh, found year is 20. Okay, let me go back here. It is 2013. Wow, this. it has requires a lot of stuffs to do, but I think it's good paying. So next one is informant networks. So let's pull that up. Let's go back again to about us. And this one was established in 2015 or founded in 2015. Paste that there. Grab a screenshot of this file, save as, capture. Again, guys, I'm doing this on a computer. It will be hard, or it'll be hard to work on this using a mobile phone or any mobile device. But if you feel comfortable working with those mobile devices of yours, then that is going to be your prerogative. This one, there is an error on the page. We will have to tag this as a data error. Any page that does not display will fall under data error. If you cannot find the founding date, then it'll be cannot find date. This website again does not work, so it's data error. Moving on to the next is Nova Time. Let me pull that up for you. Workforce management, about us here. It was founded in the year 1999. Now grab a screenshot of this and just like so, go to file, save as capture, and just like that, and upload again. I'm sorry, the screenshot. Now moving on to the next one is Red Nexus. So domain error, guys. So that's data error. Moving on to the next is retro fitness. How many tasks left? Okay. This is the training, guys. I'm not sure if we'll know uh, if we will qualify after submitting this one. So from here, I don't see anything uh, about. Let me scroll down a bit to the bottom of the page. Maybe there is an information. When was retro? Okay, there you go. I found it at the bottom. So it was retro fitness. Founding date was 2006. Grab a screenshot of this, just like so. Save as, and then capture. After that, go back here. Hey, what am I working? Retro. Okay. And upload the photo. Guys, just a tip: working on this hit or a task using incognito mode won't allow you to upload the file. I did it earlier. Unfortunately, it doesn't allow me to upload the screenshots that I grab from Windows. Moving on to the next is PVR Ltd. Offers. Let's try this one. About us. There you go. About us. It was founded 1997. Okay, so just like so, paste the year here, and then go back here, and then get a screenshot, save it, save it as like that, go back to the task, upload the captured screenshot again. Moving on to the next is Nathan Trust. um, this one is easy, but you know, I mean, there's a lot of things to do. I think this one pays around 0.05 cents. Let me accept this or close that out. No, I don't want to chat with a bot. Now, moving on, professional services, what we do. Let's go to about us. What we do, our team established or founded in 1999. I'm sorry. So copy that there. Grab a screenshot again, just like that. Save as, and then capture again, and then go back to the task. and then upload the screen capture. And last training, I hope this is the last. Name of the company is Allendale Association. Allendale Association. This is the right website. Let's see if they have an about us. Contact ah contact us. Ooh, accreditation approved. Website feedback. Illinois. Wait, training parents. Who we are about us. It's under who we are. It was founded in 1897. Just like so. Then go back to the website and grab a screenshot of this. Go to File, save again, save as capture, just like that, and upload it again. All right, this should be all set. Let's try to submit it. I guess this will be under review. At first, okay, we made a mistake here. At first, go to page what we are up to. Okay, it's not about us, but what we are up to. The second one is about again. And okay, we made some errors with the rest, but there are hints on where you can find those information. So let's submit it. Oh, it doesn't allow us to submit it. So let's do this one before we can submit the answer. So from here, we have to go to what we, okay, this one. Wow, you need to really work on searching for them. It's taking a lot of time. It'll take a lot of time. So from there, this paint retain company was founded in 2019. Where is that? All right, here you go. So 2019, go back here. We had three mistakes, so the task won't allow us to submit it if we don't go back and correct our error, which is kind of considerate. Thank you. And after that, for this one, it's a good thing though that we have this hints right here. So at the first page, see about, but where is about? I don't see about. Yeah, where? Okay, here you go. I've been here. Oh yeah, 2013. Ah, at first page, yeah, we do have the right answer for this one. Oh, because there is a space. All right, I'm sorry. All right. Please take note if you are to copy paste something, make sure you do not copy a space on or before the characters. Uh, but if you click OK, so this one was the error earlier that we are getting, but according to the hint, the company changed its name to Bioska. So founded year is 1997. Now, for us to find it, we have to go to this link and then Bioska. Okay, this is not in English. Let me translate this to English. It doesn't allow me to. Hey, it's a problem. Uh, translate to English. Always try again. It doesn't allow me, guys. But for this one, what I'll do is hold on. Bayoska, where was that? Uh, I was working on. Hey, which one is it? This one? Let me click on this again. Yeah. And if I remove this, submit it again, I'm gonna get the same error. But I don't worry, guys. It's the training. This is for you all, so I don't mind if I pass or not. But let me go ahead. Since this one is, I'm not sure about this because I couldn't find information about. Hold on here. Oh, okay. Here's how I could transfer it. I mean, how I could. Uh, this one. Let me highlight this front page and this one. Okay, let me go back. Well, it's hard to work on this one. Um, it's Finnish. Yeah, it's Finnish language. Well, let me just get a screenshot of this and just, save it for the purpose of this training. But let me go back there. Let me capture this one again. All right. And then it was founded 1997, as discussed. What else? Okay, I think we're all set. Let's submit it. Hey, oh, there you go. It has another space. My bad. So let's submit it. This FAQ, it's founded in 2005. Was it? All right, 2005 again. Let's place that there and see how it goes. You passed the training with a score of 67, so that's still passing. Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. And again, the name of the task is Search Company Founding Year. Have a good day and thank you for watching.